Hi, for the in 3 words activity in the Western Expansion Unit, our main focus was gathering the main idea. So anything that you wrote in 3 words for either of these Western Expansion advertisements should have been um, trying to capture what the main idea was. So I'm going to give you a little bit more information about each of the advertisements. Obviously, the answers that you came up with will vary, but hopefully they go along with the extra information that I'm going to give to you. This particular advertisement was published in 1872 and has a lot of text that's difficult to read, so hopefully you zoomed in on it. But if you couldn't figure a lot of it out, there was also a link you could click on that gave you a summary, and I'm just going to kind of go over a little bit of the key points here. It starts off with millions of acres. So in 1872, the United States had already expanded all the way to the Pacific Ocean, and obviously there was a lot of land for sale. This little blurry thing up here in the sky says Big Blue between Camden and Crete, representing valley and rolling prairie land in Nebraska, Iowa, and Nebraska land for sale. Okay, so it's telling you kind of the location of the land, if you had heard of those places. But for the most part, people had not even been to the West, people that were buying land. They were kind of doing it without really knowing what they were getting into. The next thing it says is Iowa and Nebraska lands for sale on 10 years credit. The name of the company that's selling the land is the Burlington and Missouri River Railroad Company. So this is land that was originally owned by a railroad company, and they ended up using some of the land, not needing other parts of the land, and now they're looking to sell it to people that want to move west or build towns. This is some information about the type of credit that you need, or the type of money that you would need to get started. And then there's a blue box down here that gives you information about buying a ticket to board a train and go and see some of the land that's for sale. If you read that closely, you should have gathered that the money that you used to buy your ticket for the sightseeing tour could also be used towards the land if you were buying it, which I thought was kind of neat because they still do that today sometimes. So this was a kind of a neat advertisement, but this was something that would be commonly seen in magazines or newspapers, or on walls at town halls or courthouses or things like that in the 1800s, because it was so common for people to be selling land, or for people to be looking to buy land. The next image that you saw, I'm probably going to tell you some things that you didn't know about this image unless you did your own research on it, which would be awesome if you did. But the headline here is Ho for Kansas. So Ho means farmers, farming for Kansas. And they're looking for people to go and buy land from the Homestead Association in the West, and particularly the Southwest of Kansas. And there's a date here when they're leaving. And it looks like it's being sold by someone named Ben Singleton, better known as Old Pap. So some interesting information here. If there's not a whole lot of text here, but it's information that you can gather. That's another advertisement to get people to move west or buy land, which was a common thing during Western expansion. Now, if you look a little bit deeper into this and do some research about who this Ben Singleton guy is, you would have found out that he was actually a person who founded a town called the Nicodemus Town, which was started in 1877 by 6 black and 2 white Kansans, people from Kansas. And it was their goal, since this was the 1870s, after the Civil War, to give African Americans who wanted to get out of the South, because that's where slavery was, a chance for a new beginning. And at this time, people that were leaving the South sometimes wanted to go back to Africa. There was a movement to take people back to Liberia. There was also a movement to move to other countries like Canada or northern states. But this particular man, Old Pap, or Benjamin Singleton, wanted people to come to Kansas. And it says here, some of the research I did, I found out that this particular town was the oldest of about 20 towns established predominantly for blacks in the West. So it was one of 20 towns of its kind where African Americans, former slaves, would be recruited to go to become farmers or to start a new beginning for themselves. So I thought that was kind of a neat thing that didn't initially come across to me when I was analyzing the advertisement. Hope you guys enjoyed this activity and found it interesting.